Hi everyone, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you by your time. Today we are going to do a new makeup. I thank everyone that's always come back to watch my video. I say may God bless you all. Thank you all guys for coming and I appreciate you all. Please guys, if you need any type of makeup that you will want me to do, just go to the comment section below and write it there and I will try and do it, okay? So let's jump into it. Thank you. Please watch in the end, okay? God bless you all. So now I will start by priming my face with this kit. So I will try it. It's a new product. I just bought it from Kiko not too long ago in this Christmas period. It's very, very nice. So I will start by priming my face with it. Massage it very well so that it will protect your skin from foundation that you are going to be applying to your face. Now I will start drawing my eyebrows with this high brown pencil, perfectness. You have to try it out. You will get it in Amazon. I'm just drawing it. So I won't show the other side because I don't want this video to be too long. So just look at the way I'm doing this. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Just take your time because I can say that your eyebrows matters a lot. Your eyebrows is your makeup. So now I will go to the other side and do it. Then later I will be showing you guys how I will use my concealer to straighten my eyebrows. Drawing my eyebrows. So now I'm going to use this Eye Magic concealer. I don't know if you can see it very well, yeah, because of the light. Then when you are cleaning your eyebrows, you need this flat brush. Oh, because of the light, a flat brush will go. So guys, just stay and watch the way I do it, okay? I'm not going to fasten this, so just stay and watch, okay? See the way I'm drawing it. Your eyebrows matters a lot when you are doing your makeup. Just take your time to draw your eyebrows. Make sure you draw it very nice. If you don't draw your eyebrows very well, your makeup will not come out nice. So now I'm going to finish I have used the concealer to draw my eyebrows, but now for the other side, just look at the way I'm doing it. I don't know how to explain. It's very hard for me to explain what I'm doing. So I'm going to use this face foundation to use it to draw up here, because if I use concealer, you won't even like it because it will look so pronounced. So guys, I will use this Kiko foundation in the shade 145. So you see, I will just use it to curve the hair because I'm going to use same foundation. So just use the foundation to draw it. You understand? I always do it this way so that when I blend it, it will come out very nice. And to blend everything together, I'm going to use this brush. I think this light is, look at it. Just don't drag it, just tap it in. Just tap it in. Blend it very well. Just take your time to blend it very well, okay guys? Just tap it, don't drag it, because when you drag it, you won't, everything will just be rough, okay? So you see the beauty is already out. You see, you can see the beauty already, because I can say that eyebrows is almost everything in makeup. When you know how to draw your eyebrows, everything will just come out nice. Finish blending. So in today's video, we are going to be using this Gorgeous Beauty palette, Gorgeous Me eyeshadow 3. So I am not sure about the color I will be doing, but there are many colors in here, as you can see. Look at it, there are many colors. So I'm just going to try to create some colors, okay? So just stay and watch, okay? Thank you. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to use these 4 colors. This one, this one, this one. These 3 colors, but I have to start with this. I don't know if you can see it very well. I will start with light color. For my transition color, I will use this color here. Yeah, this color here. Then I'll finish it with these 3 color, 1, 2, 3. Okay guys. See the way I'm doing it, just take it, always start from this side to this side. Okay, this color here, before this and before this. See, I'll still go. I will use this purple here. As you can see. So now I have to clean it, just to clean it, so that I will cut my crease. You will just go to the transition color you used to do it before. Just blend everything together gently. Just blend it together before you cut your crease. In that way, everything will become very easy. You see, this is my white concealer to cut my crease, okay? So let's finish to... Sorry guys, my phone was ringing. So when you finish cutting your crease, just go back. I'm using that purple, that same purple before. So just to darken it a little bit before you will go in with the shimmering color. Okay, I've demarcated the purple. Now I will go in with the shimmering color, which is this one, to transit it, okay? Don't drag, just tap it in. Just tap it in. Don't drag. You see, the demarcation is still there. So now you will just take a small brush, a very little brush, then just dip it into the purple to blend it together. Don't add too much force, if not you will just spoil everything. You see, just blend it together and you are set to go. I have to blend everything together. Just see the way I'm doing it, guys. With a very little force, just blend everything together so that there will not be a demarcation. So I will be using this glitter eyeliner. I'll put it on top here, so just watch and see what I'm. Guys, that's it. So for the video not to be too long, I have to apply my foundation and do the rest things off camera, okay guys? So I see you all later, okay? I'm going to be installing my eyelash, my contouring. After all, if you are my followers, you guys already know how I do it, okay? So guys, this is it. Guys, this is the finished look of my makeup. Wow, my phone is ringing. Sorry guys, my phone was ringing. So guys, this is the finished look, because I wish I wanted to show you how I contour my face, how I put the foundation, and all the video will be too long. That is why. So guys, if you want to see how I contour my face, how I apply my face powder and all contouring and all highlighting, you can just go to other of my videos and watch, okay? So I just decided to show this makeup, how I do it. I don't know, because it's not easy to explain everything that you do in makeup. For you to understand, you just have to watch to the end for you to know what I did, how I conceal, how I apply my foundation, how I apply my eyeshadow. So guys, I hope you like it. This is my finished look of the makeup. I hope to see you all in my next one, guys. This is a recap. If you need any one of these, just contact me. It's all available, okay guys? Any color, in any color you need. So this is how I finished this purple makeup, and I hope you like it, guys. I really like it. I love it. So just tell me what you feel about the makeup, or another type of makeup that you will want me to do another time. So just go to the comment section below, leave your comment, and I will read it, every one of it, okay? Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you everyone for coming back to watch my video. Please share my video, like my video, share it to others, so that we'll be large in the family, okay guys? Happy New Year once more. Happy New Year to you all. I thank all my subscribers, I thank all my followers. I say may God richly bless you all. Please guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, hit that notification button, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you all in my next one, guys. Please share my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? So look at it. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Bye.